everyone, Chef Yoda the dog here, and it's time for the Monday meal. Today's Monday meal could also be used for Taco Tuesday. It is slow cooker taco meat, and we're using venison, but you can use any ground meat you want. And it's so easy, and your meat will be done by the time you get home from work, and it'll be ready to go for Taco Tuesday. So definitely watch this video, see what my mom did. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. Chef, Yoda the dog, out.
Hey everybody, happy Monday. Today we are making a Taco Tuesday meal. And it is crock pot taco beef. So, well, not beef, it's venison. You know us, we only have deer because we hunt. So this is 2 pounds of ground whatever you got. So for us it's venison, and we're doing ours on high. It's 4 hours on high or 6 to 8 hours on low. So I don't have time for 6 to 8 hours, so it's going to be 4 hours on high. So that's the meat, and then we're going to put in a can of diced tomatoes. The only kind I have is fire roasted. That'll be good though for Taco Tuesday. Have a nice smoky flavor. So you want to put in a can of fire roasted or whatever kind of tomatoes, diced tomatoes you've got. Then a 7-ounce can of green chilies, diced green chilies. So that goes in there. I would think it'd be easier just to do a can of, diced tomatoes with green chilies, although that would be less of both. So I don't know if that's why they wanted it separate or what. Then we need a cup of onion. And so I do have some frozen onion, but instead of that, I'm going to use this minced onion because it'll hydrate in there. And 3 tablespoons equals a cup or 1 onion. Okay, so now the spices. We had 3 tablespoons of the minced onion, which equals a cup of onion or 1 onion. And then we did some other seasonings. So let me tell you what we got here. Oh, I also sprayed the crock pot with olive oil before I put the meat in. Okay, so we got a teaspoon of chili powder. We've got a teaspoon of ground cumin, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and then I didn't have garlic salt. I guess I'm gonna need to get some, so I just combined Redmond's real salt and garlic powder, but it was a tablespoon of garlic salt if you have that. And then that is all the seasonings and all the meat together, and then you cover it and put it on high for 4 hours. That's what we're doing, or low for 6 to 8 to make your taco meat. All right, guys, it's been 4 hours on high, and it is done. Sorry if it's steamy, but yeah, yummy. All cooked, and it smells delicious. So pretty easy. I didn't have to babysit it, and it's all ready to go for dinner. So easy recipe to make taco meat. And if you need it to go all day because you're at work all day, then do the 6 to 8 hour one on low. But either way, it's ready to go when you get home. Enjoy. Happy Monday.